Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of InBios Chikungunya IgM ELISA test kit, which is CHIKjj Detect IgM ELISA. You can see the reference part number, the lot number and also the expiry date. The storing temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see it's from the US, in InBios US. It's a CE certified. Yeah, I can just show you closely. You can see it's InBios Chikungunya Detect IgM ELISA. This is a 96 well plate kit. I can just show you around the box. Here you go. So the box looks like. Just keeping a gel pack nearby just to maintain the temperature here, and I'll just open this box for you. There you go. Okay, you get in the box you get one. You can see this is the box. I open it. You can see there's one 8-page brochure. It's like a FU for you. It says InBios CHIKjj Detect IgM ELISA for the reduction of IgM antibody targeting Chikungunya viral antigens. You can see this here. It says Chikungunya Detect IgM ELISA is designed for the qualitative reduction of IgM antibodies present in human serum targeting the Chikungunya virus E2E1 proteins. So this brochure has the complete details, the material specified, and you get all the test procedure and the method of using it, and how to interpret your results, your quick references. You get the complete data for conducting this test successfully. Okay, I'll just keep this here, and inside you can see there is a 96 well plate. I want to show you this. You can see here it says coated micro titer strips for human IgM 1:8 strippable wells. You can see the part number, lot, expiry date, details in this. The other side is, see, the other side is just plain, just silver foil packed nicely. Inside you can see all the buffers and solutions that you need. I'll just go one by one. Okay, here you go. You see there's a 10x wash buffer, 120 ml InBios. You can see the part number and also lot number here. It should be, it's 120 ml. Putting it back. Then I want to pick this. Let me pick this. Here you can see stop solution 9 ml. You can see the, I'm putting it back. Then you can see conjugate diluent for Chikungunya ELISA 9 ml. Then you get liquid TMB substrate 12 ml. You can see this here. Part number, putting it back. And you can see the other liquids. Let me see, what is this? This is the sample dilution buffer for Chikungunya ELISA 25 ml. You can see the part number, and then you can see this. This is sample dilution buffer for Chikungunya ELISA 25 ml. Another bottle. And you can see here it says Chikungunya antigen for IgM 9 ml, and you can see the all details of part number, lot here. And then we go further. Let's see the caps. This is Chikungunya IgM cutoff control 50 micro EL, and then you get 10x conjugate for Chikungunya 150 ml. And then you see Chikungunya IgM negative control 50 ml. And then you have Chikungunya IgM positive, control 50 ml. Yes. We've seen, just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of InBios Chikungunya Detect IgM ELISA test kit, just for the detection of the IgM antibodies targeting the Chikungunya viral antigens. And then you get in that box you get one IFU detailed brochure, and you get the 96 well plate and all the different solutions to complete your test, all the solutions and the reagents you need to complete the test. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.